Today we will start with zoom rolling or text rolling. And we open the OGAS software and we click the zoom rolling this button and select this area for the text rolling. So to save time, so I already input the data here. But there is important notification that the text we input has to be the longer than this box. Otherwise the text will stay there without rolling because it is already show completely, right? And only it is longer, so it will rolling and let us to see all the text. So that is a basic logic behind it. And on the right hand side, it is our first time to change SP. We put it 4,000 here. As you remember, during our previous sessions, we always put FFFF there. That is means default without change. But this time, for this session, we will explain some functions that will change VP. So in that case, we will need to change SP. Okay, and we set the VP with 0200 and the color with red, and encoding because we display ASCII font, so it is 8-bit, and select set a character interval manually, and rolling method is left to right, and rolling space, that is we select with a 1 pixel. Every 1 pixel moving, if it were select 2 pixels, that will be less continuously and faster. And with alignment, we select left alignment, and font ID is 0 is ASCII font. And if you like to display other non-ASCII characters, so you will select 23 or any font you like to have. And we select the size of the 40, okay, the 40 size. And that's finish our setting. So we save and generate and download. Before download, please select the port that is connected to the LCD panel, and then with a download. With a port. Okay, so I have to close this software and then select with COM8 again and download. Okay, then all the setting finish. Then we will start testing if there's a rolling happen, and we use the OD serial COM. This is a communication with our panel, and we are going to send this code, and this session is already displayed, okay, and 82, that is write variables into the panel. Here you may ask what this is already displayed, okay, this is a total already display, and you may ask why it is not 0200 or it is 0203, why it is adding 3. So in that case, we have to check with our user manual. And you can see this is on this session, it's a zone rolling. You can see that there is a session talking about VP. So there is a text pointer. The first 3 bytes are reserved, and the text start with VP plus 3. So in that case, we will use 0 to 03 instead of 0 to 00. Okay, that's a reason behind it. Okay, then we will start with the testing, and we open our panel. Okay, you can see our panel here, and this is a new interface. Okay, and there is a hex and text rolling. Okay, we open our OD serial COM, that is tool, and select the port, and we open the port, and then we will send the code. Yeah, you can see our end display is start rolling. Okay. Then we will demonstrate how we can stop the rolling. Then we will have a look at our menu again. From here, we can see the stop rolling is here. Okay, so but we have to write the whole code here. You can see for our SP, it is a 00. That 00, that is with a VP, that is not changed. But if we change the VP, so in that case, we have to use 02. But there is a high byte and a low byte here. Okay, so for the high, we have to set up something, because we use sorry, I made a mistake. So for original, we set up as a 4,000. So in order to, if it is 4,000, that is a VP, that can be stay the same. And in order to achieve this function, we have to change SP. And for adjust mode, that is with a high byte. We already set up with a right alignment, and for the low byte, and then we will use a pause. So in that case, we will set up the code like this. We will set it here. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit clear from here. Yeah, maybe it is a screen block. I repeat it again for that. You can see this is a high byte that is with right alignment, and this is low. We would like to have it pause. So in that case, we will use this code. This is 82. That is a send command, and so SP that is right now is 4002, and 02 means right alignment. 01 that means pass. Okay, so in that case, we will send this command to see what happened here. Yeah, it is still rolling, so we send a command here. You can see it's once we send, the rolling stopped. Okay, if it is we want to resume the rolling, what happened, what code we will send. So you can see it is just 00. So we just change the low byte with a 00. So in that case, we send the command. You will see. You can see it is start rolling again.